Hey everyone, I'm Kim with another awesome video where I'll show you the way that you can get access of Kimi K3 officially. If you can try it in kimik.com, you can get this message. Too many people are chatting with Kimi K, you need to buy a subscription to use it. Then currently no one can able to use Kimi K3 here in officially website for free. But Hugging Face, you can see this is the official way. Hugging Face provide you a Kimi K3. You can see this is the Kimi K officially moonshot Kimi K3. Hugging Face provide you a decent amount of daily limit. You can see I have start to chat here. Before demonstrate you, I will test is it work or not. Here I can build a snake game. It will build one perfect snake game. You can see how much awesome is it. And again, to confirm how much limit it will provide, I have built another game which is space shooter game. This is the output of this game. You can see I have built two games using it. Okay, then let's get started. HuggingFace.co provide you a official way that you can get access of Kimi K3. Not only Hugging Face, token router also provide Kimi K3 for free. You can see limited time Kimi K3 model are now free to use. But when I try, it will respond very slow. You can see when I say hi, it will take 3 minutes and 30 seconds to respond it. Are you available? If it will work perfectly, then you can easily test it inside Cloud Code and inside Visual Studio Code. But it will takes too much time to respond. That's why I didn't want to show you this way. Before making video, every time I will try it by myself, it will work perfectly, then only I will share with you. First you need to create an account in Hugging Face. Sign up with your email. Next it from here, you need to provide your name. Remaining all are optional. That's why I'm only continue with my username. Create account. You need to agree these terms and condition and click the animal that does not match. Okay, let's see. Next, I think this is not match. You need to verify it. After that, it will redirect to verification screen. Begin. Let's confirm you are human. Choose all the hairs. Okay, this is hairs, this is hairs, this is this thing, this is also a hairs. Correct, successful. Now it will send you the verification mail. I'm going to open my inbox where it will send you a verification mail. This is my verification mail. When you open, your email is verified. Continue with Hugging Face. Now you are ready to use. After that, go to this model section here. Then you can find this moonshot Kimi K3. Open it. Use this model. Select this Hugging Face chat interface. Start chatting. Authorize chatting through your account. Start chatting. Now you are ready to use. This is the official way that you can try Kimi K3. This is not through any external platform. This is from official Hugging Face. If you can test which model is it, then it will respond you. It is the official Kimi K. You can see model moonshot Kimi K3. Due to high traffic, it will take a little bit time to respond. I will show you my chat history here. You can see this is my chat history where I have tried it before making video. First I will ask is it working. It will respond perfectly. Then I will give how much token do you provide in a free plan. It will didn't mention the exact token. Then I'll try does it give decent amount of token or want to response. I will make one snake game which is working perfectly. You can see just like a real game. Score, high score. Okay, this is the game. Then I'm still not satisfied. That's why I'll give another task here. Can you build a space shooter game? Then again it will build and mention what the game contain here, and this is the fully featured space shooter game. After that I have satisfied. It will provide decent amount of token, and when I have searched it through internet, it will provide decent amount of token per day for testing purpose. Before forcing any subscription, Hugging Face provide a decent amount of token to decide is this working perfectly or not. And every time I'll try to be honest, when you try to use it, maybe it takes a little bit more time because I'm not sure what you are referring to. It is confused, but you can see it here. This is the official moonshot AI provided by Hugging Face. If it is from some external platform, then I don't believe it will provided by Hugging Face, where we can easily trust this platform. If you want, you can easily test it. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. Happy coding. Bye bye. We'll meet you on the next video.